Hello there, welcome to Startup Istanbul.
Hi.
Hi, it was a very good presentation and very inspiring.
Thank you.
First of all, can you please introduce yourself again to
Sure. My name is Dave McClure. I'm the founding partner and chief troublemaker at 500 Startups.
500. What is 500 Startups doing?
What are we doing? Well, we're a seed fund, venture capital fund and accelerator in Silicon Valley, but we also invest all over the world. In the last 4 years, we've invested in over 800 companies, probably about 300 that went through our accelerator program and another 500 that went through other programs or in other parts of the world.
Can you give more details about this program? I guess it's a 4-month program, yeah?
Yeah, we run a 4-month program actually in 3 cities, in Mountain View in San Francisco, in the Bay Area in California, and then also Mexico City. In the Bay Area, we have about 30 companies go through a program that lasts about 4 months. We give them about $75,000 net. And we help them with business model, we help them with design and user experience, with customer acquisition channels, with metrics, and then with pitch prep and investor introductions. And hopefully at the end of that period on demo day, trying to help companies raise $500,000 to $1 million, maybe about 2/3 of them are able to do that. And then we kick them out and we start all over again.
Okay, can you give some successful examples?
Sure, there's a company called Intercom that went through our accelerator about 2 or 3 years ago. They've raised, I think about 25 or 30 million now. They've done a Series B and are, I think, 50 or 60 people. From our non-accelerator, we've had several companies that are doing quite well. Twilio and SendGrid are 2 of our larger companies. Also Credit Karma, which I think just announced some financing today. So. But you know, we invest in a lot of companies. A few of them work.
Yeah. Let's talk about some local startups.
Sure.
Yeah. Did you get any chance to meet any startups?
Yeah, actually, we met a bunch of startups that were invested in by 212 and Revo and Hassan Aslanova. Met with some of the Aslanova Capital portfolio companies and are talking to several of them. So some really great companies.
Do you have a partnership with these companies?
Nothing formal yet. We're just very appreciative. Those are funds we think are doing great work here in Istanbul.
Any plan to open any office here?
We'll see. I'm not sure about that just yet, but we're hoping to do more investments here. Maybe next year, aim for 5 to 10 out of Turkey. We think that's certainly doable in this market.
Okay. What do you think? What should local startup focus on local markets, really?
Well, I think in a market like Turkey that's already 80 million people and fairly developed, there's a lot of local opportunity. I'm not saying the companies need to stay local forever, but I think you don't have to go global right away. There's plenty of opportunity in the Turkish market, there's opportunity in the MENA region, and then there's opportunity globally. So lots of different stages for companies to maybe consider.
Okay, what do you think about the event today?
Event was great so far. I listened to 2 of the speakers before I got a chance to go up on stage. So glad to see the room was fully packed.
Yeah, real packed.
With a bunch of folks standing. So I don't know how you guys got everybody here, but it seems like a lot of folks.
It's very crowded here. Okay, do you want to add anything?
Nothing, just really great. This is my 5th trip to Istanbul, and always a pleasure. Great food, great people, and great opportunities.